I'm Dr. Kirti Khanzode, Associate Dean of the Honours Bachelor of Business Administration program here at the University of Niagara Falls, Canada. Our undergraduate Bachelor of Business Administration program is designed to provide you with a solid business foundation and the tools needed to succeed in the ever-growing digital economy. There are 2 high-impact majors you can choose from to better prepare you for the future you want: digital economy and digital marketing. A bachelor's program lays the foundation of your post-secondary education. As Associate Dean, I have an impact in laying this foundation for you, working with a qualified team of faculty and staff, making sure you get a qualified education and are well supported and nurtured throughout your journey at UNF. I make sure the program curriculum is current and equips you with the knowledge and skills necessary to excel in your chosen path. Whether you plan on pursuing an advanced degree, entering the workforce right away, or embarking on an entrepreneurial endeavor, my goal is to create an environment where you can flourish academically, professionally, and personally. If you're interested in learning more about the Bachelor of Business Administration or studying at University of Niagara Falls, email inquiry@unfc.com.